Stop Googling like it's 2005, guys. Seriously, your current content research method, it's completely broken. Sound familiar? Spending hours lost in the digital wilderness just to write one single paragraph? 9 million contextless Google results? No way. It's literally like drinking from a fire hose blindfolded.
We're shifting from total analysis paralysis to making fast, confident decisions using Perplexity AI.
Instead of random opinions, Perplexity swoops in, synthesizes the info, and actually backs it up with verified sources.
So, check out this ridiculously simple 4-step research process. Let's quickly break it down together.
First, pick one concept. Feed it to Perplexity. Challenge those assumptions and let curiosity lead. Next, collect your gold instantly. Then, sprinkle in your unique personality and expertise to make it pop.
AI doesn't make you lazy. It amplifies your intelligence, making you absolutely lethal in the best way.
Let's turn this into a 6-step AI acceleration plan. Start simple. Define your goals and basic prompts. Use AI drafts as a launchpad, repurpose everything, and finally, build some real publishing consistency.
But watch out for pitfalls. Always review the output, clearly define your tone, and maintain your brand voice.
Getting this right completely crushes the blank page problem, speeds up writing, and prevents nasty creator burnout.
Remember the golden rule: speed over perfection. Done and published always beats perfect and never seen.
Ready to work smarter and think faster? What will you build with all those hours you get back?